Welcome to the mesmerizing world of Boston Dynamics, where robots evolve from clumsy yet impressive beginnings to high-tech marvels capable of dancing in harmony. In this captivating video, we take a stroll down the memory lane, exploring the remarkable journey of Boston Dynamics robots from 1992 to 2023. From the military-oriented BigDog to the warehouse-savvy Stretch, each creation showcases the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of robotics. In 2005, Boston Dynamics started with BigDog, a four-legged robot made to carry heavy stuff over rough ground for the U.S. military. The video shows how it learned to handle problems and paved the way for future robots. In 2010, they introduced PETMAN, a two-legged robot designed to test the U.S. Army's chemical protection suits. These early projects show the company's commitment to both military innovation and cutting-edge technology. The year 2011 introduces us to Sand Flea, a small but mighty robot capable of leaping up to 30 feet in the air to overcome obstacles. This edition showcases Boston Dynamics' diverse approach to robotics, addressing not only ground-level challenges but also the need for aerial capabilities. The stage is then taken by Cheetah in 2012, a four-legged sprinter reaching speeds of up to 28.3 miles per hour. Wildcat follows suit in 2013, showcasing its agility on various terrains at speeds of 16 miles per hour. These developments highlight the company's commitment to versatility, speed, and adaptability. Enter 2013, and the spotlight is on Atlas, a humanoid robot capable of walking, running, and executing acrobatic maneuvers. This marks a significant step towards robots, mimicking human movement with uncanny precision. In 2016, Spot takes the stage, a four-legged marvel navigating challenging environments, performing inspections, and collecting data. This part of the video beautifully captures the synergy between human and robot, illustrating Spot's potential for real-world applications. Moving into 2017, Handle emerges as the warehouse warrior, efficiently moves boxes with ease. In 2020, Stretch joins the lineup, showcasing its ability to swiftly move boxes with precision. These warehouse-centric robots demonstrate Boston Dynamics' focus on industrial applications, revolutionizing logistics and automation. Boston Dynamic reaches its crescendo in 2021 with a grand finale featuring the latest iterations of Atlas and Spot. The culmination of years of innovation, the dance routine is a testament to the level of control and coordination achieved by Boston Dynamics engineers. It's not just about functionality, it's about infusing a sense of artistry into robotics. In conclusion, the evolution of Boston Dynamics robots takes us on a thrilling ride through the company's legacy of innovation. From military applications to warehouse automation, Boston Dynamics has continually pushed the boundaries of what robots can achieve. The evolution is not just about functionality, but also about creating robots that seamlessly integrate with our world, showcasing a future where man and machine coexist in harmony. As this journey comes to an end, we can observe that Boston Dynamics is not simply building robots. They are designing a future where technology enriches and enhances our lives in ways we might never have imagined.